Hello there. I'm just filming an eastern grey squirrel here in a tree. Yeah, it looks like it's making some kind of threatening noise. As you can see, it's moving its tail around. It's almost wagging it and making a yeah, that sound. I guess the squirrel must be alarmed by something. Though if it was alarmed by me, it would probably go up higher in the trees. And also if it would also go behind the trees, so it tried to avoid my presence. But obviously this squirrel must be threatened by something else. As you can see, it doesn't look too threatened by my appearance, but probably by something else. Yeah, it's still making that that squeaky noise. Still, well, yeah, it's still wagging its tail a bit. And now it's turned its back on me again. Alright, I think I'll leave this guy alone now. Well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.